It's your girl Marsha with Talks with Marsha, and I'm back with a new video.
Go get your charger. You about to miss the show. I'll wait. Much better. And before you leave, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can get that notification.
Hey you guys, as you can see, we are using Saviland Poly Gel, and this video I'm not doing a lazy girl method, but I am going to use the dual forms. So if you guys didn't know before, I am an influencer for Saviland, and these are the colors that come in this kit. You get 12 gorgeous colors. This is how it looks on the paper, and once you cure it, this is how it looks once it's cured. So these are the colors that I'm going to use today. I wanted to do something blue and glittery, and that's all I'm going to use today. These two brushes, some alcohol for the slip solution, and we're going to use Kiara Sky as the nail prep. So I'm going to show you what to do and what not to do, so stay tuned. So I don't know what I was doing, but this is absolutely not the way to do it when you're doing or using dual forms. I put extremely too much poly gel in the dual form, and I don't know, I just got glitter happy or poly gel happy, and I just kept adding and adding and adding and spreading and spreading poly gel everywhere. So I don't know what I was thinking. So by the time it came down to it to cure it, I had the poly gel, the dual form was sliding everywhere, the poly gel was coming out, it was just looking horrible. So my advice when you're using dual form, less is more. Okay, do not overdo it. Don't assume that you don't have enough poly gel in there, because it is going to turn into a disaster. Another thing that I noticed, and I don't know if it was just my lamp or if it was the poly gel, but my Kiara Sky mini lamp would not cure it. It just, I don't know what was going on that day. I don't know, it just was not right. So I ended up switching out the lamp for my bigger lamp, and the rest was fine. Now I went ahead and fixed it off camera, so the thumb came out perfectly fine, filed it and everything. So I learned my lesson. This is how you should do your dual form. Like I stated before, less is more. So just put a little bit. With this one, I did an invisible or negative space. So I cured it first with the color that I wanted, then I went in with the clear, and then I went in with the bottom part, the bottom color that I wanted, and then placed the nail on there. So this one, I think here we're doing more of an ombre look, but one of the fingers you're going to see what I was talking about as far as the negative space in the nail, and it came out really cute. I really did really good with this. I wanted to try something different. Excuse some parts in the video where you didn't see what I was doing. Usually when I do a nail video, it takes me maybe about 3 hours to get it done. So it's really a lot to squeeze it down to like 2 minutes. Now here I felt like I didn't have enough poly gel, so I just went ahead and added some on top, and I think I would be doing this method from now on instead of assuming in my poly gel, you know, in the dual form. But I really like using a dual form now. I think I got it down packed now. This is the nail that I'm doing with the negative space. So you're gonna go ahead and have a look here and see how I got that part done. So each layer of, or each color, I cure it first, and then I add my next color. So by the time I get to my last color, I just go ahead and cover the whole space with it. So I did the tip, and then I did the clear, and then I did the last part, which will actually be on my nail, and I cure it on top of my nail altogether. Now, one thing that I did notice, that if my nail, and I don't know if I recorded in this video, but if the nail is too thin, I just add some more polygel to the, to the dual form, and I just put it on top of the dual form, the polygel that's already cured, and it actually looked really good. Once I filed it down and everything, you could never tell that I put 2 layers of polygel with the dual form. So if you guys have an issue with your polygel being too thin when you cure it, and you don't feel comfortable just adding the polygel straight on top of the cured polygel, just put a thin layer in your dual form and cure it on top of the polygel that you've already applied and cured, and just file it down together, and it looks good. Like, I recommend that if you're comfortable with doing that. If not, then just take the nail off and just start over with a fresh dual form and polygel. But it came out wonderful for me, so I can't complain. But I am curing my middle finger with the negative space, and that's what it looks like. It looks really good. Like, wait till I file it and shape it. It looked really, really good. I like it so much. This is the first time I've actually worn blue on my hand, and I love it. I'm more of a purple and bright color kind of girl. Blue is always included, but I've never had like a whole set with blue nails. So I like this set. I like the colors that came with the set. I had a lot to play with as far as, you know, solid colors and glitter, especially the clear with the glitter in it. It had a lot of options in it. So if you are into that and you want a polygel kit with options, I would most definitely recommend getting this. Now, I got this tip from my girl Slay by J, where I put on top the builder gel on top of my polygel just to give it a little more strength, and yes, I recommend that. And it makes your nails look really, really shiny towards when you're done with everything. Even when you apply your top coat, it just gives it a shine, and I trust it, because before, my main issue with polygel was that it wasn't hard enough. So I'm done with my set. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put some rhinestones around my negative space on my middle finger, and it came out really, really good. Like, honestly, I think this is like the best set that I've ever done, ever. So I most definitely like it. And if I didn't say it already, the link to this kit will be in the description area. And on this nail, I just wanted to put these cute stars. They're kind of like a holographic stars all over the blue, and then I also do my ring finger also. So that's my little design that I did, and I hope you guys like this video. I really enjoyed this set. Like, this is the first set that I was like, I have to be creative with it, because I usually my nail tech, I usually let my nail tech just go all out, and since I've been doing my nails by myself, I just, you know, wanted to do something special so it doesn't look basic. But yeah, so I did put some more builder gel on top of the nails just to encapsulate the design, and I didn't want to worry about them falling off or anything like that. And that is the set that I did. It came out really, really good. I really enjoyed it. And there we go with some Model 1 top coat. And I'm going to cure it this one last time, and then I'm going to let you guys have a look at it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I know I've been slow with the videos, but I'm working on it to get down packed with my schedule. But look at the nails, honey. Yes.